Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain to you everything you need to know about the Kohana event quest in the Fish It game of Roblox Kohana Expansion update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Kohana Expansion update has been released and you will find some new quests from this update. Well, let me show you the quest. I'm going to show the quest here. You can click on the Kohana event and you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 quests from this update. I've already completed some of them guys, and I'm going to show you the quest one by one. The first one is the pufferfish hunter. You need to catch 5 magma pufferfish to get the volcanic bobber. And then the shell catcher. You need to fish up 10 shells and you can fish them at the Kohana Island. And this one, the catching 20 fish in Kohana Volcano, and we will get the luck potion. And then this one, to get 10k coins, we need to catch 5 magma smelt fish. And then the magma lantern, you need to catch 2 magma piranha to get the magma lantern. And luck potion, mutation potion. And then epic bounty, you need to complete a bounty. And then the last one is magma whale. You will get the inferno core if you can complete this quest. And then for the magma fish, you can catch it at the Kohana Volcano. But for the shells, I would like to recommend you to fish here at the Kohana Island to get the sea shells. And from the shells, you can get the clover charm. Okay, you just need to go to the Kohana Volcano to catch the magma fish. Okay, you just need to do fishing here guys. And you can also buy the magma charm to boost your luck in catching the whale, if I'm not mistaken. Okay guys, then that's all about the Kohana event quest and Fish It game of Roblox Kohana Expansion update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.